In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Microsoft Project. Tracking progress accurately starts with a rock-solid foundation, and that begins with setting a baseline. Think of the baseline as a snapshot of your original plan on day one. To create it, go to the Project tab, click Set Baseline, choose Set Baseline again, select Entire Project, and confirm with OK. This locks in your planned dates, durations, and work so you can measure real performance against what you intended. Without this step, you won't have a meaningful way to see what changed. Once the baseline is saved, start updating task progress. For quick updates, use the percentage buttons on the Task tab. Select a task and choose 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. This is a fast way to log progress when you just need a rough indicator of completion. For more accurate tracking, open the Task Information window by double-clicking a task. Here, enter actual start and actual finish when you know the real dates, adjust percent, complete to reflect current status, and add actual work if you track effort. This level of detail gives you better reporting and more reliable forecasts. To visualize what's happening, switch to the Tracking Gantt view. Go to the View tab and select Tracking Gantt. You'll see the baseline bars representing your original plan, the current schedule bars showing where tasks stand now, and colored variances that highlight delays or early finishes. This side-by-side view makes it easy to spot slippage and to communicate changes to stakeholders. Keep the schedule healthy by updating project status regularly. Open the Project tab and choose Update Project. Use options like Update Work as complete or reschedule unfinished work to push remaining tasks forward when they're late. Frequent updates help you catch issues early and keep the timeline realistic. As you track, remember that Microsoft Project is constantly comparing three things: the planned baseline, the actual progress you record, and the remaining work still to do. Progress is calculated by comparing actual work against what was planned, which is why consistent, accurate entries matter. A few key fields drive this process. Percent. Complete shows how much of the task's duration is finished. Actual start and actual finish capture real dates. Actual work records effort already spent, while remaining work shows what's left. Variance fields, like start variance and finish variance, reveal how far dates have drifted from the baseline. To wrap up, always set the baseline before tracking, update progress weekly or on a consistent cadence, avoid changing the baseline unless absolutely necessary, and rely on the Tracking Gantt view for clear, visual comparisons.